Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are going to make some Make Your Mark t-shirts. And we're using my Cricut and something new that I just got called the HTVRONT heat press machine. Now generally I use an iron and it's kind of a pain, so I thought, why don't I grab a heat press machine and see how it works. And this one is amazing. It is super easy to use, and I think you guys are going to get a kick out of it. It's not very expensive, it's completely automatic, and I gotta tell you, I am really happy that I have this in my craft room now. This has just made things so much easier for me. I'm gonna leave a special link in the description so that you can check it out if you like this machine and think that it could work for you. It's great if you do a lot of vinyl transfers like I do. I have tons of nieces and nephews. We always make a family t-shirt for a big birthday party or an anniversary, just so that we can take fun pictures, and this machine has really come in handy. I think you guys are gonna dig it. Are you ready? Let's make some Make Your Mark t-shirts with my new HTVRONT heat press machine. This machine is super sturdy and has some very nice weight to it. Just plug it in and turn it on and it automatically starts to heat up. While it's heating up, the logo button will flash red, and when it's ready to go, it flashes green. If you want to increase or decrease the time, simply press the timer button and then press plus or minus on the right. If you want to increase or decrease the temperature, press the thermometer button and then the plus or minus button on the right. You can also program the machine so that it's always set to where you need it. Just press the center button below the display for custom settings. Now that we're at the right temperature, we're going to pull out the tray and give it a go. The tray slides out easily, and you can tell that this machine is very well made. I cut several of the Make Your Mark logos, so I'm going to give this one a try on some cotton fabric before I start putting them on shirts. Once the transfer is in place, make sure to put the Teflon sheet over the top and then just slide in the tray. Now just press the start button and it automatically lowers and raises once you've reached your pressing time. It's easy as that. I love this machine. Come on, this is so easy, I could do this all day. Okay, let's try this out on a cotton t-shirt. What I really like about this machine is that it's consistent. When I use an iron, it's always hit and miss, and I'm constantly lifting up the transfer to see if I ironed it long enough. Also, the size of this heat press is pretty big, so you can get a large size logo on a t-shirt in one pressing. And if you're into the sublimation craze, this machine works beautifully for those too. I'm gonna leave a special link in the description for the HTVRONT heat press machine. I think you're gonna love it. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll love the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you next week. Bye.